Losing important iMessages can happen easily, so backing them up is crucial. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry, this video will guide you through. Backing up iMessages using iTunes, iCloud, and your personal computer. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on each method. How to back up iMessages to iCloud. Step 1. Connect to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Plug into charge. Step 3. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud Backup, and turn it on. Step 4. Tap Backup Now iOS 10.2 or earlier. Your iMessages will save to iCloud. Sync iMessages to iTunes for backup. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer and then connect your iOS device to your PC via a universal serial bus cable USB. Step 2. Select your device by clicking on Device Located on the upper left corner of the iTunes tab. Step 3. After selecting your device, please click the Summary option that is located on the left side of iTunes. Step 4. In the right panel, you need to select this computer under the Backup section, and then hit Backup Now to begin the iMessage backup. Backup iMessages to PC for free recommended. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a professional tool for backing up iPhone data. It lets you easily transfer iMessages, contacts, text messages, notes, calendars, books, music, photos, videos, and bookmarks from your iDevice to PC or Mac. Step 1. Download the software by clicking the icon below and then go with the wizard to properly install it. Step 2. Launch the installed program on your computer. Then you need to connect your iPhone to your computer and make the connected device recognized. Step 3. Choose the Messages category when you see the following interface. Step 4. Select the iMessages you want to back up from the right panel. Step 5. Click Export on the top menu to save the selected messages to your computer.